Hey collectors, here is a look at the Toy Story 5 Champion Edition high-tech Buzz Lightyear, and I would like to thank Bawajan Specialties Toy Store, link in the description below. Check them out. At the back of the box, we can see the model kit in various poses and the other accessories that you can get from this model kit. In the box, we have this instruction manual for the model kit and how to slowly build the figure piece by piece. But when you come to his chest part, there is a battery compartment so that the emblem of the Space Ranger can glow or light up. So you better decide whether you want that feature because it will be very hard to remove the battery once it has run out from the inside part of the torso. And here is the fully assembled model kit of Buzz Lightyear high-tech version champion class from Loki's, and he is fully posable. He also comes with multiple faceplates and hand gestures, and he stands below 5.5 inches tall. And here is the backside of the figure. The cover for his backpack has not yet been installed because I want to show you that there are two versions of his wings. One is retracted and the other one is fully splayed out. And this is what you can see in the Toy Story 5 film where it splits into halves. And this is what the light up feature is like. But you have to decide first if you want to use this on your figure or remove the battery because it will take you a lot of time disassembling the front and back part of the body once you've assembled it just to replace the worn out batteries for this light up feature. This is what the battery compartment looks like when you remove the cover. This is the LED and the battery is on the underside, and this is where you put all of these parts. The fun part for this Buzz Lightyear is that the biceps, the one with the SR or Space Ranger logo, can be rotated so that his arms can in a way be put down straight besides his body. Although still this has a gap between the arm and the body, but it is not like the old versions of Buzz Lightyear where there is a permanent angle arms. So because the biceps can be rotated, you can put his arms almost near to his torso in a straight form and not like the old toys of Buzz Lightyear. The figure can hold some action poses without falling down because of how wide the feet of Buzz Lightyear are. But I suggest using some action figure stand if you want him to do more action poses on your display. Buzz also comes with his flipped up cover communicator on his wrist. With this backpack, there are two options with the wings. This one is the retracted wings. Unfortunately, it doesn't pop out like the other Buzz Lightyear figures. And this is the one that has his wing fully opened and splits into two parts. And all of this you have to do manually. Here is what Buzz Lightyear looks like with his wings deployed and split into two. This is all done again manually, and you have to replace the folded wings inside his backpack. And here is Buzz Lightyear Champion Class compared to the Elite version also from Blokies. My complaints for this figure is that it only has one pair of eyeballs during assembly, and he has two extra face plates. And also with the palm, for us to insert the other hand gestures, there is only one pair. Aside that, his wings are no longer spring loaded. And for size comparison, here he is with Xandar and Lady J from G.I. Joe Classified series by Hasbro. With Bruce Wayne, the Dark Knight Batman from the Dark Knight trilogy film by InArt, and Vash the Stampede from the anime Trigun by Jazzwares. With He-Man and Skeletor from Masters of the Universe Filmation version by Super 7. And finally with Battle Cat and He-Man from the Masters of the Universe film from the Chronicles line by Mattel. And with that, thank you all for watching and see you all again next video.